How's it going, guys? Figured I'd get wet for a little bit. It's not gonna stop raining, and I wanted to go check out, see how everything was in the neighborhood. Go over to a local park. We have a brother named, oh wait, hold on. There we go, I can talk now. A brother named Cab7 wanted some outdoor videos, so I told him I'd go film. I mean, I love the rain, and I've got a waterproof case on my phone right now, so this is awesome. It's an excuse to go outside when it's raining. So thank you very much, Cab7. Good looking out. You guys look over there. You can see that flooding. Yep, see, look at that car going around in it. Yeah, we definitely got some rain. Definitely got some rain. Definitely got some flooding going on. Sorry, I'm keeping the phone down a little bit. That's because it's a homemade dry screen, and well, I cut out a hole for the camera, so it's really not covered. So I apologize if some of the moments are a little off. This is the river we're coming up to. Just want to show you some things on that. Got some plants here. They just recently did this bridge right here. So this is Wonder Gardens. It used to be like one of the biggest places around here. It had Big Joe, which was like an 18-foot alligator, one of the biggest. That's the river. That river is going all the way on the bank and all the way over here. I'm going to show you guys. Like, look at that. You can see where it goes. Sorry about that. You can see where it goes all the way up there. That's normally a dock. Alright, let's keep going. So you can see right there, guys, that's normally not underwater. We'll go check it out and explore a little closer. Here we go. Let me go under this tree real quick, catch up for a second. Whew. Alright, guys. It's a pretty cool tree. Come up on the roots, because the roots of this tree are really awesome. See them right there? We'll go up to them. What they do is they'll grow down and they'll become roots, and they walk, and the tree will go out far. So here's where the flooding starts, guys. All of this. Check these roots out. I mean, they're really cool. They grow over there. They grow up there. I mean, I really like this tree and these roots. It's for you, Cab7. I appreciate you giving me the idea. See all that sidewalks there? There's more of the tree. You look up in it. Goes pretty high. There's the roots, some of the walking ones. If you come up close on it, you can see it. And what they do is they'll just grow down. See, here's one. See how that was? Now see, ooh, there's a lizard. Hey buddy, you're on YouTube. You're making your world debut on Matthew Yeshuva, Attack Dog Lord Kingdoms Ministry channel. Do you have anything to say, Mr. Lizard? Any comments? I guess no. He doesn't like public comments. Alright guys, let's keep walking. And we're going to show you this. We'll go over here. First off, look at all this. You can see all the water coming down the sidewalk. You can see as we go down in it. Look at this. This is all underwater. This is normally trees. See? All the water. The river is overflowed. Like, we're still walking. Oh man, shoes didn't work out. I gotta fix them. This is the dock. Like, then we go down. Like, this is where the dock normally is at the top. And look how close it is to my legs. Look at that. This is the dock. Just gonna take the shoe off until I can fix it. So, you know, we're walking in the water. We'll keep these sandals off. See, look at that tree. It's beautiful. I mean, there's a lot of beautiful nature here. Look at that under the bridge. I mean, it's just so overflowed. Look at the way it's moving. That's a current. And we'll keep walking up. All that over there is that Wonder Gardens park I was telling you about. Here's the benches under the water. I don't know if I can get it without scaring it. Let's try to go on close. Do you guys see it? It's one of our local birds. Try to get as close as I can before it flies off. I do apologize about the unsteady. Just to give you guys a reminder again, that's how close the water is. It's that deep. Going back to the bird. And again, I apologize. This is how overflowed. Let's go back like this. Okay. This is how overflowed the river is. That's where the river is on the other side of that. And it goes all the way up there. Yeah. This is definitely flooded, guys. This is normally kayaks that they run out. See the caution manatee sign we're going to come against or come up on. I truly do appreciate you guys checking in. This is cool. This is like a water floating bridge dock that you can see, but it's way, way above. And there's more kayaks. There's the manatee sign. See if we can get close up. We're this close. There we go. Now hold on. Closer. There it is. Hi, buddy. You're making your YouTube debut. How's it feel? Does it feel awesome? He's like, I wasn't ready for a YouTube debut. You know, I can understand. Alright, we're gonna come up here. we're gonna go over to the park. Oh, this grass stuff is so frustrating. Apologize, guys. There again is the river. You can see how overflowed it is. Let's look over there. Out of focus. There we go. Look at all that water. It's normally not there. Let's go down the railroad tracks. Look at that down there, guys. We'll get a closer look in a second. We're gonna go down that area. And I do apologize about the shaky moments, guys. It's the railroad tracks. Alright. Look back there's the railroad track bridge. The overflowed river. Let us proceed. First, we must fix our sandal. Thank you guys for joining me on this little hike. And thank you Cab 7 for giving me the idea for the hike. This definitely appreciated the idea. I don't really think about doing this kind of stuff, so whenever I get the opportunity or someone gives me the idea, I'm glad to do it. There we go. So yet again, I apologize about this little part, putting my sandal back on. I had to fix it. Okay, here we go. Continuing on. That's all the way off. Out of focus. There we go. Okay, we are walking through this now. And this is normally dry. Wow. Yeah, we're gonna try to go up this way. Look how deep this is. I mean, to my knees. Okay. This is normally dry. That's the river. The river came all the way up here. Look, if you go all the way and zoom in, that's the river coming all the way in. Look at this. This is all flooded. All of it. This is the river. We'll bring you guys on the dock. This is normally dry, not underwater. Normally, it's not such a challenge. Water and sandals aren't always the easiest to work with. Luckily, the part of this, I believe, is a floating structure. If not, look at this. That's where the water level is. And in case any of you guys are wondering, yes, I will be going and taking a shower after this. I love living here. I mean, I may complain about Florida, but there's just so much beauty. And I'm glad Cab 7 asked me to make this video because I do really enjoy and love it. It's just a little flooded right now. like a lot flooded. So we're continuing on the river. Yes, it's a floating structure, which means it rises with the currents, or not the current, but the river levels. Finally, we're out of the water. These are mangroves. If any of you guys don't know, they're mangroves. Mangroves, the cool thing, let's see if we can get in there. Those are like the other one that has the walking legs. Those kind of grow in the water and walk out. They're mangroves, they're awesome. This is the river. Now if you guys are wondering, is that another river back there? Let's get you closed up. Autofocus. Okay. See that water back there? That's not a river. That's actually normally dry. That's how wide the river is right now. Look how fast it's moving. Let's bring it back real close. Like, let's do something. I don't know if you guys can really see how fast it's moving, so I'm gonna take this and throw it in there. And I'm gonna start here again. Pretty fast moving river. So we're gonna go back. Here's another good shot of that over there. Here's a better shot of those mangroves, so I can give you a good shot of them. These are the mangroves. See how those legs walk? And they just keep on walking. And those are some air plants. We have lots of those around here. Some more down there. Some more plants. We're gonna walk over here and show you some more of it. All those trees, not supposed to be underwater. Just a little manatee thing you guys can see. We have lots of manatees here. This is definitely ridiculous. Man, and we haven't even had a hurricane yet. We are so soaked that if we even get a tropical storm to soak 2 days on us, we're gonna float away. It's like, neither have I. Can someone say Andrew? Yeah, Charlie did get bad, but not as bad as it could have been. Have a blessed one, guys. So we're gonna go over here. I just want to show you this real quick. Look at those. I love that. It starts down there. It's the roots. It just goes up. And what it is, it's not the original tree. It's a symbiotic tree. I don't know exactly what the name is, but you'll see it's growing. Right out. of this. See, it's a palm tree, but that tree is growing around that palm tree. It's really neat. It really is neat. Sideways palm trees. And look at this. I just want to show you over here. This water shouldn't be here. All that's more flooding. That's not normally wet. Alright guys, I love you. I'm gonna go get out of here. Just want to show you that tree right there is pretty cool. Kind of grows out in 3 different directions. Alright guys, I love you. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed day, Cab 7. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to come play in the rain.